All right, we're getting close to the end of this rear suspension upgrade we're doing on Old Yeller, and came across something that I really wanted to do that I've been thinking about doing for a while, and that is reconnecting my parking brake. Ever since I did the suspension lift, the parking brake cables were just too short to hook up, so they've been just zip tied up out of the way. I don't think it's going to be that hard to fix, so let's see if we can't make it better. Let's take a look at what I have in mind for the parking brake. So the old bracket used to fit on there just like that. I don't know if you can see that too well. Just right in there. Swapping the bracket side to side, all we have to do is just move it right over there and weld it to this cross member. It's right over the rear drive shaft. That just moves it from basically there down to there, and that will be enough, I think, to give us the travel we need and still have our parking brake cable. Okay, we've got our brackets welded in, painted up. There's that one, and looks like we're going to work out just fine. So now we're just going to build up a new cable. Oh. Okay, we're ready to make our intermediate cable here, and we're going to use our Dorman brake cable repair kit that we picked up, and most of this stuff we're not going to need. The cable comes with a 10-foot long cable, and we cut that down. So we've got the cable length we need. So here's our old intermediate cable. You can see we're at 49 inches. Now we've moved the brackets back, so obviously we're going to need a little bit longer cable. I've already taken this up under the truck and measured it out, and we're at 56 inches. So the Dorman cable comes with one side pre-fit, and the other ball is movable. So I cut it down to size, got the ball on there, and we're going to press that on and get it installed. Our parking brake cable repair is complete. As you can see, we have our new intermediate cable in place. Our new brackets welded in place. And now we have a functioning e-brake.
Hey guys, if you like what you see, subscribe to Uinta Garage, hit the bell to get notifications, like our channel, and share it with all your friends.